Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mercedes Me Connect for charging and vehicle health, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in Mercedes Me Connect and hit enter. Look for the official website link in the search results and click on it. Once the page loads, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the login screen. You will see two fields requesting your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, double-check for any errors. After confirming that your information is correct, click the Login button. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your Mercedes Me Connect dashboard. Here, you can access various features, such as vehicle health and charging status. To check your vehicle's health, navigate to the relevant section on the dashboard. This section will provide you with important data about your vehicle's current condition. Next, if you wish to manage charging preferences, find the charging options on the dashboard. You can schedule charging times or monitor your charging progress from this area. If you own multiple vehicles, select the one you wish to monitor from the available list. When finished, remember to log out if you are using a public device. To log out, click on your profile or account icon, usually located at the top right. Then, select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. This ensures your account remains secure after your session. You have now successfully logged into Mercedes Me Connect and navigated its key features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.